for the festival, so thank you all for coming. We very much appreciate your participation in this festival. We actually started this festival because His Holiness Kadamba Kanana Swami asked us to begin this festival. My wife is a disciple of Maharaj, and he asked us, he said, please begin a boat festival. So we started doing this 4 years ago, and now more and more people are coming, so thank you for joining us. So some people are here for the first time. You might be wondering, why are we doing this? Why do we have this festival? Why do we have the boat? We have the deities. We call them Archa Murti or Archa Vigraha of Radha and Krishna. They are small statues of Radha and Krishna. The idea is we cannot see God with these eyes that we currently have. Hands up if you've seen God recently. Anyone? Anyone? No one has seen recently. The reason is because our eyes are not pure. When your eyes are pure, you can see God. Right? Lord Brahma says, Premanjanach Chirita Bhakti Galochanena. When your eyes are smeared with the salve of prema. Prema means pure love. When you have pure love for Krishna, you can see Krishna. But because we have calm means lust or material desires, that stops us from seeing Krishna directly. So we only see material things. But actually Krishna is here on this boat right now, and if you have the pure eyes, you can see he is now eating his lunch. Because Krishna also likes to eat. Hands up if you like to eat. Okay, so I've got 99%. Okay, no, I've got 100%. Okay, so everybody likes to eat. So where does his propensity to eat, where does it come from? It comes from God himself, Krishna. He likes to eat. However, he never puts on weight. Like me, I was skinny when I moved to Hare Krishna Valley. And now look at me. It is a disaster. Because too many feasts. Every day there's a feast in Krishna consciousness. But Krishna, even though he eats so much, he does not put on any weight, because his body is Sach Chit Ananda Vigraha, which means his knowledge is made of his body is made of eternality, knowledge, and bliss. So he doesn't need Weight Watchers. He is completely transcendental, completely spiritual. So we're offering the bhoga to him for his pleasure. So he's taking it now. Actually, Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Patram, Pushpam, Phalam, Toyam, Yome Bhaktya Priyachchati. Bhaktya means with devotion. Krishna says, if you offer me a fruit, a flower, a leaf, or some water, with bhakti, with devotion, Ashnami, Krishna says, I will accept it, I will eat it. But you have to give it to him with love, bhakti, or devotion. Just like there was one man, you might know him, his name was Duryodhana. Do you know him? Yes. Hands up if you've met him. Okay, you didn't meet him.
You've heard about him, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is Kali Yuga.
Please chant. Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Everyone please chant with us. Please chant.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Please sing, everyone, loudly. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,